Hi viewers, in the previous session, I've discussed about the mandatory prior registration by the promoter and the developer under Rera. Now the question comes, what is the procedure of registration of the proposed project by the developer or by the promoter under Rera? The procedure is defined under section 4 of this Act. The first step the developer or the promoter has to take, they have to make an application of the registration of real estate project with prescribed fees through web-based online system. Along with an application, the promoter shall has to enclose certain documents such as number 1, the detailed promoter's locus standi, whether the promoter is proprietorship concern, whether the promoter is registered under partnership or the promoter is registered under Company Act, with the name and the registered address. The promoter has disclosed the brief detail of the project which is ongoing or proposed one. The promoter has to give the 5-year project details with the detail of the current status of the project, if any. Along with such disclosure, the promoter has to furnish the detail of any delay in the project, delay in the completion, shall has to give the detail of the pendency including the pending payments. Copy of the approval and commencement certificate from the competent authority, and in case of the project to be developed in the phases, copy of approval and commencement certificate of each such phase, sanction plan, layout plan and specification of the proposed project of phases thereof, detailed plan of the development work in the proposed project such as firefighting facilities, drinking water facilities, emergency evacuation facilities, use of renewable energy. Location detail of the project with a clear demarcation of the land dedicated for the project boundaries including latitude and longitude with the end point. Performer of the allotment letter, agreement to sale and conveyance deed proposed to be signed with the allottees, number and type and the carpet area of the apartments along with the area of the balcony and veranda and the exclusive open terrace of the apartment with the apartments, number of garages for sale of the proposed project to be developed, the detail of the real estate agent of the proposed project to be developed need to be furnished, detail of the architect, structural engineer and the contractor who are engaged in the project to be developed need to be furnished. At the end, the real estate developer or the promoter has to give the declaration with an affidavit, signed affidavit by the promoter or the person authorized by the promoter stating that number 1, legal title of the proposed land to be developed, number 2, land is free from all encumbrances, number 3, time period undertake to complete the project, number 4, 70% of the amount realized from the project received from the allottees from time to time deposited in the separate account as prescribed under this Act, shall take pending approval from the competent authority time to time if required. shall furnish the document as prescribed under this act. All these detail has to be furnished through web-based online system. Thank you very much for today, and in the next session we are going to discuss about the grant of registration, extension of registration and revocation of registration. Thank you very much for the time being. Thank you so much.